Hi guys, it's me Katako. Maybe you wonder why I speak in English this time. Well, it is because I want to show you how to make your own character shiny. Yes, it's a thing I just discovered and I like to share it with you. I mean, why should I keep it just for me? Because it's for everyone. So, I'm going to show you, but first we need to make some new I will Sash. It's okay. Create. I don't need more. I will not concentrate on that thing. Now I need a map. I just going to find it 34 map. It will take a bit. Okay. I come back. As you can see, I'm in the bedroom. Some of the pictures are not very clear. Here is a picture from Five Nights at Freddy 3 final cutscene, if I remember correctly. I think this is, I don't know, a phantom, a person. I really like this model, even if it doesn't have doors or the toys or the fan It's pretty cool and good. Now I need to put myself a new camera right here. I will put you right here. I need first to get a model. I will choose a toy model because they are shiny. I don't know who I need to choose. I think I'm going with the toy Chica. Yes. As you can see, the model isn't shiny. It's just, as you can see, it's like that. It's not shiny, it's just like it was made. Plastic, but not shiny. So I will get toy Chica. I will put her right over here, just as you can see her. she's she's so small. I will put my camera like that for you to see. And now we're going to action. First of all, we need to press the add overwrite materials because that's what we use. Show in the element viewer. How you can get there? Just press right click and then add override materials. I just did it, so if I press again it will remove them, so I don't want to do that. Next I will go in the show in the element viewer model. If will appears here materials, then you did all correctly. We need to go just for these two, new Chica body and new Chica head. So press right click and then go to add attribute, go to float. Wait a second. Go to float right here, and then we need to press a code, cache PHONG BOOST. Pretty simple, right? Now we will press OK, and as you can see we have that here. I will put to 10. I think it's okay. 10. And the body just modified it. Now I will get to head and do the same thing. Right? And there you have it. Now she is shiny. Maybe you can see now because I have the lightning enabled. So wait a second. I can do whatever I want. So I'm gonna to color her just for the fun. Yeah, and now you Okay, now we have a black toy Chica, but on black it doesn't look that good. Wait, I didn't put this thing here. Just a sec. Then okay, and now I will color her. I think I'm going to make her green. I don't know why, I just want. Right, green. There. We have a green toy Chica. And now we will add a light. We will enable lightning. As you can see, it's pretty much light. So I'm going to load the intensity. Like that. Okay. Horizontal. I will go here. And just put this thing a little away. Because I don't want to. And there you have it. A real shiny toy Chica. And yes, of course I can modify her much more, but just let her put the hands right like that, and the jaw. I can see. Yes, I get the jaw. So there you have it, a shiny toy green Chica who is ready for party. Don't forget to save your work every time, because else you will have a pretty much headache if the application will just stop or will close and you will lose all of your work. It happened me pretty much all the time, so I just save it when I get a shot. I just make a shot and yeah, then I save it. So if you like it, don't forget to press that subscribe if you don't do it, and the like button, and tell me in the comments if this tutorial really helped you this time. Last time I have a lot of complaints because I spoke in Romanian, not in English, and a lot of you didn't understand me, so I feel really bad. I made a version in English, but again, that doesn't help that much. So we will see in the next video. Bye bye.